Hi everyone, this is question 3 from A-Level Statistics 2023. So Edexcel. It says, Ben is studying the daily total rainfall X millimeters in Liming for 1987. He used all the data from the large data set and summarized the information in the following table. Okay. Explain how the data will need to be cleaned before Ben can start to calculate statistics such as the mean and the standard deviation. Okay. Well, you'll notice that in the table we have this value here, trace. So if we're going to basically calculate a mean and standard deviation, we need all of the values that we're working with to be numerical. So what we need to do is replace TR with a numerical value. You can put any kind of like really small value like 0 or 0.05, but I'd usually personally just go with 0. So we need to replace trace with a numerical value. Okay, and I've put example 0. That's part A. That's kind of nice for 2 marks, really. So using all of the 184 of these values, Ben estimates sigma x to be 390 and sigma x² to be 4336. Calculate estimates for the mean daily total rainfall and the standard deviation of the daily total rainfall. So the mean is sigma x over sigma f. Sigma x is 390. Sigma f is the number of days. That's 184. Which gives us the mean as being 2.1196 or 2.12 to 3 significant figures. Standard deviation is the square root of the mean of the squares minus the square of the mean. So it's sigma x² over sigma f, which is 4336 over 184 minus the answer that we got in the previous bit squared. And then square root all of that and we get 4.367. So 4.37 to 3 significant figures. So that's our part B done. Right, now it says Ben suggests using the statistics calculated in part B to estimate the annual daily total rainfall for Liming in 1987. Using your knowledge of the large data set, give a reason why these data would not be suitable. And the answer is because the large data set only covers from May to October. So it's not going to be a suitable sample for estimating the rainfall in Liming for the whole year, because it's only covering half the year, so it wouldn't be wise. And then secondly, it says, state, giving a reason, how you would expect the estimate in part B to differ from the actual mean daily total rainfall for Liming. Well, we've only got from May to October, so we're missing all of the winter months. We're missing like November, December. It tends to rain more in the winter, so we'd expect the actual answer would be higher. Okay, or you could say that our answer is an underestimate. Okay, so it rains more in the winter, so we'd expect the annual amount to actually be larger. Okay, I hope you found that helpful. I'll see you in the next video.